I once struggled with constant distractions while studying. My grades were slipping and I felt overwhelmed. Then I discovered the silent bell tower technique. I turned off all notifications and set my phone to silent. I placed it in a drawer out of sight. The first day was tough, but soon I found myself deeply focused. My productivity soared and my stress levels dropped. I realized the power of disconnecting to reconnect with my goals. If you're feeling overwhelmed, try silencing your digital world. It might just be the clarity you need. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.